Welcome to Hitcoin Daily. Today we are looking at SafuYield Protocol, or just SafuYield. We have here a percentage of 736 profits in gain. SafuYield is from SafuNet. We were looking at right now. You can buy the token on, of course, Pancakeswap. It's on Binance Smart Chain, and you can trade it on Binance. So let's see their website, what they are exactly doing. SafuNet aim is to bring a series of tools for the Binance smart contract ecosystem, including a DAX, smart contract, code scanner, liquidity lock, and more. Okay. So a DAX is like it's like here a BooCoin app where you can see exactly the price of the actual token which is trading on Pancakeswap, for example. SafuYield versus SafuNet. SafuYield is the utility token for Safu.net. SafuYield token holders can interact with the SafuDAO governance protocol to propose and cast a vote for the next project to be part of the Safu.net platform. So they want to build up a community which decide also where the token, where the project will go. SafuYield is a deflationary token, multi-chain yield aggregator governance and staking protocol. SafuSwap, DEX for all verified SafuSwap token. You can already swap this token on their own exchange platform. That's nice. Okay. So they already have done something, and this is what I like. People are not just talking about something, they are also doing something. SafuScan Solidity Static Code Analysis Tool and Rug Detector for Binance Smart Chain projects. So this looks nice, so you can prevent maybe some rug pulls. People are always crying after the big guys take their money out. I don't know, we will see. Safu NFT. Mind AI generated Safu NFTs. Nice, okay. Safu lock, quick and safe way to lock up any BRP20 base token in seconds, including LP tokens. Safu bridge, cross-chain smart token bridge. Okay. Your idea, anything that can benefit for help the BSC ecosystem, please reach out and let's work on it. Okay, how can we do it? How can we reach out? Here's a roadmap. Okay. Partnership announcement. Okay. CoinGecko, CoinPaprika, CoinMarketCap. They all want to be listed there. And we have, for example, NFT marketplace. They want to have a lot of partnership announcements, Trust Wallet listing when they have 2,500 holders. Right now, we will look later. And they have an email. That's nice. Okay. Let's see if we have partners, SafuYield Protocol team. We have a team here. Let's click on that. Okay, we have some faces here. Nassim Bouslama, NAS co-founder. Greg Mesaros, Dev Solidity. Carlos Leon, okay. Jason Tucker Feltham. I don't know this guy exactly, but he's the founder and CEO of WinRay. Chief Growth Officer, founder at YieldUp. Jan Strandberg. Okay, nice. So we have faces here, we have a team here, and they also have a light paper. You can look it on your own. Let's see how many Telegram people they have. They have 6,844 members, 739 are online. Okay, sounds good. We have here on Twitter 6,400 followers. Okay, that's quite nice. So maybe the same guys on Twitter are on Telegram too. And we have interactions, yes, more or less, on the Twitter account. They are also on Reddit with 1,000 members. 3 are online right now. SafuYield Medium announcing SafuYield meme contest. Okay, you can read it by yourself. SafuYield Protocol. Whoa, this goes right up right now. Okay, I see now many people cry and tell me, why didn't you tell me that much earlier? But I can tell you the big guys are not already inside. We have here market cap, but forget this market cap. We have here SafuYield BNB LP holdings. We have around 33,000 US dollars. That means open end. We are just in the beginning, so it's not too late to go inside this project. This project is very hot. I see myself investing in that project. It doesn't matter it dumps right now or not. I mean, you can see this project is so hot, so fresh. It's just a couple of days on the Binance Smart Chain. You have here the 1st July, then nothing happened much. Then 11th, 12th July, then it starts. Okay, boom, the first going inside, 42k, 16 and whatever. Some of them sell already, again selling, and then nothing happens. Then the people are afraid when it goes down, then the first take their money again out, bam, and then here the people enter, so just wait that the price are falling, because they start here and now they invest the big money. So, and I think open end, this project is still hot, still nice to watch, and let me know what you think. Is it a hit or a shit coin? I don't think so a shit, but I think it is right now a mega hit. You can invest some of your bucks inside this project, and I just see a green light here. You know, I just see here maybe to the moon, because they want to do many things here, also an exchange, and it looks quite nice. The last day it was very good performed, the last hours. And what do you think? Just write me in the comments. What do you think? Hit or shit? But I think it's still a hit. So, and if you like this video, please leave me a like. Please subscribe my channel. It will help me a lot to go forward, to make more of this kind of videos, and to bring you more early this kind of information. Maybe some pre-sales, that everyone can make some money, right? That everyone who see that video make money before these things happen. Okay, before these things happen, not 20 days later when everyone is trying to pay out the fast profits, you know. So please let me know what you think. Leave me a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.